Remember those days when there was no time to cook? Now we have the time. The trouble is, we are often limited by what's in the pantry. It used to be, I would pull out a bottle of wine, then I'd go shopping to get something to pair with it. Now, we have to be a bit more creative. Everyone's situation is different, but we wanted to share our ideas on how to make the best of this flattening of the curve time. Cooking is calming, and sitting down to a home-cooked meal is a comfort. If there's wine involved, even better. A bottle of wine is a great way to travel from home. You might pull out a bottle from a place you visited or one that brings back a great memory. Or perhaps it's a bottle from a place you've always dreamed of visiting. Join us at Crushed Grape Chronicles for our Travel in a Bottle Pantry Pairing series. We will share with you the inventive pantry pairings we have created and some of our solutions to eat, pair, and explore the world of wine while nesting at home.